Hi guys, how are you doing today? Here I am with a new video again. Here I am with a new video. I just arrived at Coming Forth, where there's so much adventure, and I am so excited to be here. As you can see, there's so many cars, there's so many people over here. I mean, like, people over here in the US, they love adventure, they love exploring different things, so they would rather just get out of the house than just stay in the house. I love it that people have so much to do over here. So we'll be going down the road to the Coming Falls to see the falls down there. So you are welcome to come with me. Otherwise, enjoy the video. Guys, you won't believe this. It's seriously raining. It's seriously raining when we are just getting ready to go in, and I don't know, the rain is just so much. Anyway, it's just going to cool down everything. So guys, the rain has stopped, and it's time for us to go down there and see what's happening. Get the Gatorade. Oh, okay. Yes. So, guys, this is it. It's still drizzling a little bit, but we are still gonna go down there. See, there's so many trees over here, and there's restrooms right there if people want to come and use the bathrooms. Restrooms. People are camping over here. See over there. So which way do we go? This way or that way? Over here? Oh, somebody left our windows open. And so we are going to get a permit to go in and see what happens in there. So guys, this is Coming Falls. We just came in, and we have to get a permit to get us in, because you can do the overlook or you can choose to go inside into the water. And yeah, so we decided to take the permit, that way we can go in or just do either. Yep. So much to do over here. Discover Coming Falls State Park. This is actually the geology of the area. You see, everybody's busy over here. There's so many people. So guys, we have to go get a permit so we can get in and see what's happening in there. That's to allow us to go on the overlook, and also to go step on the water, and also swim if we want to. So guys, they have t-shirts, they have shirts over here. Yeah, what's that? Oh, wow, do you want that?
Yeah.
Okay, what else is in there?
There's another one like this.
This is called a koozie. This a koozie.
Yeah, like you eat it.
There's ice
Daddy,
cream.
maybe it's this one.
There's Snickers.
Yeah, this one.
There's Bonbon.
It's this one, see?
Strawberry shortcake. Ice cream sandwiches.
Do you want?
Fudge sticks. M&M's.
Bouquet?
Awesome.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Mom, I don't want ice cream.
What do you want? You don't want ice cream?
Go get it.
Go get one over there. What's that? Oh, that's you want gummies? Okay, that's fine.
Ice cream.
That's fine.
This one.
Yeah.
I picked this one.
Oh, I love that.
It's
Okay,
my-
are you going to share?
Oh, me?
Uh-huh.
If you want to get one.
Guys, there's drinks over here.
Everyone.
Energizers. These t-shirts. You can buy a t-shirt over here. Oh, these little dollies. Look at that. Look at that. Nice dollies over here. These kids t-shirts. This is amazing. Grandmother spider brings the sun. So there's books that you can read. There's games, puzzles. These I love this display here. This display of the baskets. That's very cool. I love it. That's a good way to display stuff. I love it. That is unique. And then this one right here, there's more stuff that you can purchase. And I think this place is called Cookville, Tennessee. See all that? Deers. My goodness, there's so much over here. M&M's.
So you can get in the water? Yeah.
Okay, guys, so we'll be going down to the Common Falls soon. Soon we are done with payment and all that, getting the permit to let us go in.
Cliffs along the edge of the river here on either side. From there to the falls through that way, you'll come up the river about half a mile. If you had taken this trail or you take the green one, you can get to the point within a half a mile that you can see the falls there, but then again, because of those cliffs, you can't get down to the water from that point.
So what do you use to get from here to this one? You just walk? Or?
Yeah, you'll just walk up the riverway once you get to that point.
Okay. And will you be able to swim or no swim?
Yeah, you can swim. There are deep pools along the river if you want to get in there, because it is very hot, so make sure you bring some drinks. There's also a really big plunge pool at the base of the falls. You can definitely swim in that one. Now, everybody under 12 is required to wear a life jacket while swimming in that. If you look off to the left as you come up to the falls, there's a big line of life jackets, and you can borrow those. Yeah, go ahead. I'm sorry.
So guys, this is the trail walk right here down to the Coming Falls. We are about to go see the falls. It's like a gravel road. Then there's two ways here, not sure which one to take, but I'll go with the arrow over here that say Waterfall, Overlook, Black Banfork River Trail, Black Banfork River Short. cut. Okay. Yeah. So this is more like hiking. Oh, thank you. It's so yummy. So there's so many people behind us. So in my country, Africa, this is a forest. A forest where we go to hunt like animals, like deers. We hunt like those little animals for beef, and it's amazing because people love to do that. We get to do this a lot in Africa because we are known for long distance walking. Is it raining again? Yes. So we are still going. Okay, now this is like a mountain right here. So now we are climbing a mountain. Oh, and there's people behind us. Oh my. So I guess we'll keep going that way to the overlook. So guys, we are almost there. We are almost there. So almost there. We are still going, guys. It is. It's a long walk. I thought it's so easy, but it's not. So we are this way, that way. Oh.
Where is you? That's very adult. Daddy, why is the water swimming?
Yeah. Now we gotta go around, come back here.
scared of water. Very scary here.
Man, look at that.
Whoa!
You see it?
Come on in.
I hate green water.
Look at the waterfall. TJ, can you see?
Mom, do we have swimming pools?
Yes, we do.
Well, why didn't we change?
Wait, look at
Guys, that is majestic. Look at that. Look at the people down there. Oh, I just love adventure. So we are going to go down there and get a closer view of it. So guys, we are going to find a way to get down there because you cannot go through here. Overlook over here. You see how they build it. Oh my, look at the trees. And it's raining, guys. It's raining. Yeah, the water is green. So guys, you got to enjoy life while you live. You got to enjoy life while you live it. So this is it. Just the simple things. And now we are ready to take you down there. So guys, it's really raining and we had to hide under a tree because we don't have an umbrella and people are still coming. See, the rain is so much. You see, people are still walking, but we have to hide over here for the rain. Hi, how are you? Good, good.
And it looks raining in here.
It's raining.
Oh,
I think we'll just walk. But you know what? Let's not get rained on. Just come and hide over here.
Right here. But it's a good desert.
Guys, can you imagine there's still people swimming while it's still raining?
Yeah. Yeah.
Where's Daddy? Where are you guys? Where? Oh, under there? Let's run. Let's run. Run. Is it better over there? Oh. Whew. Oh my God, maybe that's worse. Over there was better. Oh, okay. See where my people are hiding, guys, for the rain. This is so serious, guys. It's raining when we are in the forest.
Yeah.
Are you sure? Oh, these guys are not getting rained on.
Yeah.
Sit over there.
I'm scared. What is it?
Guys, this is what happens when you love fun so much. But anyway, these are some of the things that we used to enjoy when we was in Africa. And so for us, this is normal. We used to stand in the rain, get rained on. We used to go to the forest to take care of cattle, goat, sheep, and it was normal. It was very normal for us. So this is kind of the village life that we used to live. Being rained while you are in the woods, in the forest. Yeah. So this is me right here. We are trying to hide under the trees. See? Yeah. We used to get rained on even when you're going to school. We used to get rained on when we was like going to the market. So this is a norm for us, and this is how we will know that we had so much fun. Guys, we used to watch this on TV also. And I remember when we was little, when we was young, growing up in the village back in Kenya, we used to be told that you cannot hide under the trees when it's raining because it's dangerous and the lightning can come and strike you. And also the thunderstorm, there was something to do with the thunderstorm and the lightning. So you have to stay away from trees. And I remember when it rained so much, we used to close all the doors, and I used to see like they used to put a knife by the door. So like they used to put a knife by the door. See how, guys, I'm so rained on, huh? But I'm fine. I'm good. I got to enjoy this. So there used to be like a knife. They used, like, once it's raining, because it used to rain so much, we used to have like the door used to be closed in the house, and then they used to put a knife over there, and that knife was supposed to prevent the lightning from striking the house. I don't know about that myth, but that's when we were growing up, and that's back in Kenya. So today I'm here enjoying the rains under the trees. Yeah, 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 yeah. So guys, I see mushrooms over here. These mushrooms. See that? Gosh, the lightning. Man. Guys, it's been raining. So now it's not so much like it was. So I can keep going. And where are my people? Here. Hold it. Here. Yeah, these guys are having fun, guys. They parked over there and they are now having lunch and family. Whew. Oh my, there's some stairs over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Somebody has a towel. That's one thing I love mothers. They always get out prepared. There's always something to protect the kids. And at least it's not raining now. It's just a little drizzle. And see, it's sunny, although there's thunderstorm. I see a red mushroom over there. Red one. Sure, there's few more. So guys, this is the instructions, the TV that will help you understand where you are going and the safety that you need and what you don't need to take over there. So see other. So this is a little bit of education and instructions of how you need to go to the overlook and also to the stream, to the river. So it's been raining and we didn't make it to go to the river, but we went to the overlook. See, everybody is coming back. And I think these guys went to swim, but we didn't make it to the river. All the same, the overlook, the waterfall was amazing. At least we got to see the waterfall, what brought us over here. And we are so excited, although the rain messed up everything, but we still had fun. So guys, thank you so much for watching. We are so happy, and thank you so much for watching. We are so happy that you came with us to the waterfall over here. And I think everybody now is checking out to go home. It was an exciting adventure, and we will come back sometime when the weather is so good. Right now the weather over here changes all the time, and you never know what to expect. It might look sunny, it might look cool, it might look, but you don't know when the rain is gonna come. So this is Tennessee State. This is Cummings Waterfall, and it's been amazing. So guys, thank you, and subscribe, share. I'm here to bring you more and natural stuff from all over my surrounding. And also, if I get to travel around the United States, the states in the United States, I'll bring you more. Otherwise, have a nice day, and be blessed. Bye bye.